Welcome to the practical session of numbers. And here first we create a new file. Same thing, new file, save the file. I'm saving it as a number.php, and to see the output we will use localhost / number.php. So you can see object not found because the location is wrong. PHP inside the PHP folder file is there. And now first we will begin with integers. So basic syntax of PHP is PHP okay. We will start with integers as I defined it in comment. Now we will see the first example, that is x equals to 5985 semicolon to close vadum, and inside vadum we will use the new function, that is int. Is the variable is int or not? We will see it here. Okay, let's check, and we will put $x inside it and save it, and let's check it. You can see, as you can see, I have written the variable x value 5985, and we all know this is an integer, and to check this we use var dump. Inside var dump we used isInt function to check if it will be int, then it will say true, or it will say false if it will not int. Okay, let's check it. Dot 5852. You can see false. This means it's not an int. Okay, so let's check in another example. We are going to use $y here equals to 58.95 and save this. Also let's check var dump. Inside var dump I will use the function is underscore int. Inside int we will again write $y. Okay, you should write same as I am coding. First in the variable $x, this is the right way to declare a variable, equals to, and then the value, and don't forget to put semicolon to close every variables and the functions. So you can see I have created two. The first is a variable and the second is a float, and we will check is a variable, it's set for the first true and for the second false. Alright, let's break it. Echo break. Okay, and now we are going to use the second example, that is float. / for the comment section and float. Now we will again start the new variable, that is x variable equals to 10.365 semicolon to close, and after that var dump. Inside var dump we will use is float. Okay, so for the to check the int it's integer or not, we use is underscore int, and to check it's float or not, we will use is underscore float. Alright, it's simple. And now inside it x value, x variable, and now check it, it's said true. Okay, let's break it again so it will divide more clearly. Okay, so you can see it's true, the booleans is true. Understand? And now let's check more examples. Okay, let's check another example in negative, that is y equals to negative minus 25.23. Alright, and now we will use var dump is float underscore float, and inside this we are going to use y. Save the file and let's check, it said true. So you can check, you can see either it's negative or it's positive, doesn't matter, just the value should be in float, that is dot 10.365 1.758, anything like that, anything. Okay, so now we will going to again break br, again br, save the file, and now we will go to the next, that is infinity. Now let's check some examples of infinity. As I told in the theory part, infinity, we are going to check it, and let's check what will be the result of that example. So we are going to use x variable equals to 1.9 e41 1. Okay, this is the value we used in the theory part, and now we are going to check it, the var dump, using var dump, and here $x, and save it, and now run, and what it shows, it shows that this value is float, and it's an infinity value. So it's clear that it's an infinity value and the value is in float, that is dot. Okay, now we go to the next one, that is n. Alright, and let's create another variable, that is x equals to a cos, and we'll see the result, what it will show and everything. Inside this we use 8, and then we are going to use var dump, sorry, it will be var dump, and then inside this x value, let's check it, and it said float because its result will be float, and n because it's not a number, right? Is everything clear? So as we are going with examples, we clear with every single things. So now it's a challenging thing and an interesting thing in PHP. Let's do that, which is numerical strings. Yeah. So PHP is a very interesting and simple thing. As you can see, it's very simple to use. Every single variable, strings, everything is very simple here. I think it's very simple to create any kind of website running in internet. Any kind of website. In fact, you can create on YouTube, on Facebook type, using these programming languages. You can create powerful software website using these codes. And now we will go with numerical string. Let's see the example. X equals to 5985 semicolon to close, same var dump. Inside var dump we will use is underscore numeric to check it that the value of the variable is numeric or anything else. We will use these functions, and like that we are going to use 4 examples which I shown in the theory part. Before that, I am going to do one thing, that is break line. So let's break line, so it's differ things. Oh, right. Now we will use the 4 examples. $x semicolon to close, again with different $y equals to double quotation semicolon to close 5985, same var dump, same is numeric, and like this we are going to do again and again with different values. Let use Z now. Alright, you use Y Z equals to, now we are going to use both. First one 59.85 and the second 100 semicolon to close, same var dump. Inside var dump we'll use is numeric, and then $z. Now the last one $a equals to, we are going to use the hello, hello, and then var dump is numeric, inside this a, and then save it. Alright, now we will check the result. You can see true, 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 false. Okay, let's understand this code. The code looks very short, small, but its meaning is very high. Okay, so let's see the first example. We defined x variable with 5985, that is a string. So let's check, is numeric, is this a numeric? So you can see 5985 is a numeric. So the result is true here. Alright, let's check y equals to inside double quotation 5985. Again same function is numeric. So you can see 5985 is a numeric, is a string based numeric, but is a numeric. Okay, so the result you can see true. In the third example we will see the both double quotation 5985 plus 100 and numeric plus numeric is always a numeric. It's a simple mathematics rule. Okay, so with this rule it's said true, and like that. The fourth example you can see it's an string, it's a clear string. Alright, so when we use the function is numeric, it's told false because it's not a numeric, it's a string. Alright, and now it's time for casting string and float. Now we are going to use casting strings and floats. Alright, now the first example is about the float to int. So I'm going to use a variable that is x equals to 23465 dot 768. Alright, semicolon to close it, and then another variable that is int underscore cast to change the float into int. Basically it's very simple. Let's do it. Let's check how I am doing this. Okay, you should learn it very clearly, and we will write int inside the bracket and then $x semicolon to close and echo to print what? Print int underscore cast. Alright, let's check the example. You can see 23465. Alright, let's divide break the line first. Alright, okay, you can see 23465. okay, so you can see dot 765 is missing. So this is the advantage of using casting float to a string, I mean integer. Alright, so it's ignored 765 and it's just tell us 23465. Alright, now we are going to use the string to int using another variable that is y equals to 23465 dot 768. okay, and now $int underscore cast same equals to int $y. Okay, everything is simple and simple to understand. Now we will print echo dollar int underscore cast. Alright, now let's check what will be the result and will it convert. Oh, okay. Let's break the line again. Great, that's great. So it's converted into int. This is int. You all know this is a int.